Just like every other business, the business of web design is a lot of work. Whether or not you want to start as a freelancer, a solopreneur, or you want to start as a fully blown web design agency. If you want to start as a freelancer, you would be doing a lot of things because you would be the one that will be in charge of managing your account, you manage your marketing, you manage your project, you do the design, you do the development, you do the sales, you do the support, you do every little damn thing for your business to keep running. And I want to clarify that misconception. They say that if you have money, you can start a fully blown agency and you can hire people and people would help you do certain things so you can focus on the real thing. That's what they tell you. But I want to tell you, after having 10 years experience doing website business, that it's not as simple as that. I have tested both. I have tried to run my business as a freelancer. I have also tried this as a web design agency, a fully one, having a team to manage. I want to tell you that it's even more difficult to run a fully blown web design agency and you have a team of people working with you. Trust me, I don't know if you have heard it before, but it is true that it is more difficult for you to manage human beings than for you to manage certain tasks or responsibilities. Human being can be a lot to deal with. It can be a lot to manage. Beyond just having a team of people that help you run your business as a web design agency, you want to have a tool that can bring you together, that can help you keep quality control, that can help you simplify super simple, easy tasks. And that's the reason why, regardless of how you want to do your business today, whether or not as a freelancer or as a web design agency, I would always recommend that you look into simplifying super simple, easy tasks. But one of the AI tools that have come to tickle my fancy is InstaWP. And I believe that InstaWP is central to anybody who is serious about doing website design business. Without boring you and without wasting so much time, let me give you 10 reasons why I think that InstaWP will be central to you doing your web design business, whether or not you are a freelancer or as an agency. And the first on my list is a OneClick WordPress installation. That might sound so archaic, it might sound so cliche, but this is extremely important for you if you want to do this business. This is ideal for freelancer or even for agency to just need to create or set up client website. Whether or not it's a live website or a demo website, super simple and easy. With a click of a button, you want to have a website ready for you to show your client something. The second thing on my list is you having access to ready-to-use templates. That again can sound so cliche and so common. A theme can give you template if that's everything to it. But wait till I show you what's different about the template you get on InstaWP. The thing is that if you go to InstaWP and you go to the dashboard, you will see that you can start a website from scratch or you can start using their template. And the truth is that if you go through that template, is a bunch of crap to me. Sincerely, I would just call a spade. I would never use their template to design website for my client. One thing that is super unique about their template feature there is that you can design a website and then turn that website into a template. You can design your own template, and that's gold. So if you work on similar projects for different clients, you can easily save your time by cloning templates. So you can have a website, you can easily turn into a template if you are possibly designing a website in a specific niche and you have specific things that is unique to every website that you create. So for agencies, you can create a library of niche specific templates and also monetize them. And I would get to that eventually because that literally is good when I'm talking about how you can easily monetize things and how InstaWP help you get access to that. And now let's just rush down to the third reason, and that is the ability for you to clone a website. One-click solution on InstaWP, you can easily clone any website. Whether you design your website with Elementor, you design your website with Divi, your favorite plugins are there. And everything you need to design your website or to create a super unique website is just there. With a click of a button, you can clone this for you to start designing your process. And that's not everything you can do with their one-click solution. And this is super useful also for you if you're an agency and also as a freelancer too as well, because you can easily, with the click of a button, clone an existing website of a client, and you can then play around, do debug in a staging environment. And then once you are done with all of those razzmatazz in your staging environment, with the click of a button again, you can deploy that back to a live website. It is good because this would minimize your errors and it would enhance your client satisfaction. If that is not your priority in your business, then I'm asking what else should be your priority. So now let's go to the fourth one here, and that is their white label solution. So if you are working with clients or you are even working with other agencies that is helping you design your website, you may want to customize every design, every website you put out there. For example, you have an agency, you might just be doing the business and you are outsourcing your design to an agency. You don't want those agencies designing website for your client, designing demo, template, wireframes, using their own name. You want to put your own custom domain name out there. You want to customize your website. You want your WordPress website, the design, the backend to carry your name. You want to white label literally everything you do. That's good. That make you look more professional. That make you look more seamless. So now let's go to the fifth reason why I think you must use InstaWP for your design agency is that you have the option for you to sell hosting services. You can sell domain, which they call domain mapping, and also you can sell maintenance services. That's very crucial. That is the heartbeat of your website design business. Selling hosting is very, very lucrative, and on InstaWP that has been made seamless. Yes, you don't need another platform. You can manage everything in one place, both your domain name and hosting. And then also, if you are just a freelancer, you are running a freelance business here, you can use InstaWP hosting service that is called InstaLife. Again, if you're an agency and you have your preferred hosting, you can manage several servers inside your InstaWP account. You can design different packages, monthly packages, yearly packages. You can sell them as part of your services. And I think that's super, super amazing. The next thing on my list, which is number 6, is the code and database editing feature available for you to use inside of InstaWP. So this feature is so important that it gives you the option for you to take a step ahead. As a website design agency or as a freelancer, you may want to have access to a web code editor that is available here. That is just something like a VS Code where you can easily just modify your theme files, you can add custom codes, you can edit your database directly. This comes in very handy for web developers because it gives you the opportunity to manage your project. It gives you the opportunity to do more for your client in one solution. And number 7 is collaboration and client engagement. Like I told you earlier, if you run a website design agency and you don't have a collaborative system that manages everything you do, you are going to have a lot of people problem. If you're a freelancer and you want to have a place where you can interact directly with your client, or you are an agency, you are not just only interacting with your client, but you want to interact together as a team, this is good. And coming to the next one, which is number 8, is their website as a service feature, which is called WAS. So let me explain what a typical website as a business or service might look like for you. It means that you have a place where your clients can go to and they can see your services. They can buy a package from you. And then once they buy that package comes with an hosting or a domain solution, and they can pick a template, they can install that template, and they have a website live instantly. And all of these things are very important because they create a recurring revenue model for your business. That's one thing I never learned very early in my business. I was just okay looking for clients, and I didn't know that the best thing you want to do is to have a recurring model. You want to have a model where your client pay you non-stop. They keep paying you. Recurring payment is just the ideal. You might not always have clients, but if you have clients and you keep them, selling other services to them, selling hosting services, selling domain services, maintenance services, all other services, and that's very, very, very crucial. It's the heart of website design business for me. There's a lot around this vast thing, and I'm looking to possibly creating more tutorials around this in my subsequent videos around InstaWP. And if you want to see that tutorial from me, how you can easily use InstaWP to create website as a service, you can let me know in the comment section. I will look to prioritize that video. The next on my list is the bulk site management tool, and that again might sound very cliche, might sound so very not useful, not until you go into this business and you design WordPress website, for example, for your client, and you have, let's say, 20, 30, 40, or maybe 100 clients that you manage their website. Imagine the stress that it will take you for you to always keep their site updated. You update the theme, update every plugins on all of these websites. Imagine that. It will take a lot of work off your shoulders, so that even if you're a freelancer, you are focused more on just trying to get clients. And even if you're an agency, it's the same thing, because what you really want to focus more on is getting clients. And now let's go to my final reason why I would suggest that you consider using InstaWP for your website design business, is that it helps you monetize your skills. As a freelancer or as an agency, you can start monetizing your design templates. I talked about that earlier: hosting, servicing, maintenance, packaging. The platform is scalable. It means you can gradually expand your services from freelancing gigs to running a full-scale web design agency. I would always recommend a tool like Sprout UI, where you have access to ton and ton of design templates that you can easily bring into Figma, and then you can design a template from there. And with a click from Figma, you can have this design transported into your WordPress website using UI Chemy, and it's a fantastic thing. So if you ask me, InstaWP is the real deal. So I'll leave a link to InstaWP in the video description. It's an affiliate link. I'll earn a certain commission if you buy through my link. I'll appreciate that support for my channel. That's my time for this tutorial. If you find it very useful, give me a thumbs up. I would also be creating more videos around InstaWP on this channel, showing you what you can do with it and how you can make more money and how it can help you grow your website design business. So if you want to see those tutorials, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on those tutorials. I would see you in another tutorial, and until then, stay safe.